So now let's cover Instagram ads on Facebook. So obviously Facebook owns Instagram, so you can create targeted ads on that specific platform of Instagram. So make sure to check out business.instagram.com/advertising to see all the types of Instagram ads and get some inspiration for your business. So we can create an Instagram ad via our Facebook Ads Manager. So business.facebook.com/ads manager. On this page, create, and we'll have our new campaign. And in this ad campaign, we can select any campaign objective, whether that's conversions, app installs, traffic to our website, engagement for a specific Instagram story or Instagram post. But the key detail here is at the ad set level. So we can pick any objective at the campaign level, but it's at the ad set level we'll select the placement for Instagram, the platform Instagram. So scroll all the way down here. See this placements, manual placements. I selected Instagram. I could select Facebook and Instagram and target all the different places I want my ad to appear. In the Facebook newsfeed, in the Instagram feed. So for this example, I only want to target Instagram. I only want my ads to appear on Instagram. So where on Instagram? The Instagram feed. So that's when people are scrolling, they'll see my ad with that little click button. Or how about Instagram stories? I want it to pop up in between people's stories when they're watching their friends' stories. So for this example, I only want it in my Instagram feed. I'll go to the ad level. Now under identity, since we've already connected our Instagram account to our Facebook business page, you'll see it appear right here. So here under ad setup, we can either create an entirely new Instagram ad, so create an ad, and that can be an image, a carousel, a video, or we can use an existing post. This is a post we've already created and posted to our Instagram. And we just want to boost it or send traffic to it. So we can select the post. And as you can see, we're on our Facebook page. We'll want to select Instagram because we're targeting the Instagram platform. So select this, and then we'll select a post, continue, and there we go. There's an ad for our past post. Or we can create a new one. So the key to Instagram ads is the placement. Where do you want your ad to show up on Instagram? Like I said, Instagram feed, Instagram stories, and what type of objective do you want? Do you want people to click this learn more or whatever your call to action button is and go to your website? Use a traffic ad. Do you want to boost engagement? Do you want to get likes and comments and clicks on your Instagram ads? So we're going to click engagement. We're going to click post engagement for engagement type. Again, under the ad set, scroll down, Instagram only, Instagram feed. We want people liking and commenting on this Instagram post. So again, under ad, now we'll select the post we want engagement for. We're not going to create a new one. We want to get engagement for something that was posted already. So we can either change that post, we can add a call to action button if we'd like. But for this one, we selected post engagement. We only want likes and comments. So I won't add a call to action button. I selected my ad, and now this will be targeted at the audience I select at the ad set level. So as you can see, this is the exact same as a Facebook ad. The only difference is selecting the placement, targeting only the platform of Instagram.